The mall closed at 7 p.m. All the stores were closed at 7 p.m. and I was like, oh, guess I'm not getting those shoes. What's up, DIY babes, and happy Friday. So today is super exciting because I am shooting all of the product and lifestyle shots for the new upcoming merch, which is coming either end of November or first week of December. I mentioned in last week's vlog that I just want to make sure that you guys can pay for regular standard shipping and still get it by Christmas. So we're still figuring it out, but I will have a launch date for you super soon. I'm so excited. So we are about halfway done the shoot, and this is, wait, am I zoomed in? I feel like I'm zoomed in. No, wait, maybe not. This is my favorite top, I think, and favorite outfit, and this location is amazing. Oh my gosh, there's literally a floral swing here, and I'm pretty sure that I need where is it? There it is. I'm pretty sure I need this in my house. Let me show you the rest of the little corners and stuff, because everything is cute. Like, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't even be possible to take a bad photo in this location. Like, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? This is so cute. And this thing is like real. Like, I was like up here swinging. You guys will see the behind the scenes on launch week, but what? And then this white wall is beautiful. Gold, of course. And then this little pin board thingies, the whatever, what is this called? I don't even know, honestly. Pretty LAUR's 93. DIY babe, a heart, it's perfect. And then this window has the most amazing lighting, stairs. Over here is just like a fun floor. Hey, Andre, what up? Andre's doing all the photos today. We have plants. Are these real or are these fake? They are, ooh, these feel, wait, actually, unsure. Wait, why is it sticky? Unsure, okay, TBD. And then over here, it's like pink, fun, and the cutest bed ever. This little couch. And another corner, like this location is literally so amazing. And a blank white wall, which is every YouTuber's dream. I need you in my house. So that is the plan for today. We have, I think, about 5 more pieces to shoot, but I'm super excited. I'm gonna have like a really fun little behind the scenes montage on launch week, so you guys will see all the footage that we captured today and all the photos, and I'm so excited. This is 100% the best merch launch ever, so get your Christmas list ready. We are on the roof of downtown right now, and oh my gosh, I like don't miss downtown, I don't think. So I used to live downtown a year ago. Did my time, didn't love it, but the view up here is crazy and it's so cool. There's so much city happening beneath us, and we took some really sick photos. This is why people are so surprised that I'm only like 5'5", because Andre knows my angles and I look super tall, like freakishly tall, and it's really great. But that's why when you meet me, everyone's always like, you're a little shorter in person than I thought you were gonna be, which is not my favorite compliment, but I mean, it is what it is. Your girl is 5'5". Okay, so this is like Santee Alley area where they have so many like fun little booths and boutiques and stuff. Goes all the way over here, and then this is the rooftop. We just shot me standing on that chair to get this sky, which the photos are bomb, but like safety was a little questionable. And then we have all of this over here, and this is like the real downtown. And fun fact, I used to live in that building right there. Good morning, guys. It is pretty freaking early right now on Tuesday morning, and okay, hello Mias, hello. Hello Mias. So it is Tuesday morning right now, and I'm about to head to the airport to fly to Vancouver, which I have been dying to go back to. I'm like kind of sad because the weather is supposed to be super crappy this week, and I was hoping to go on adventures because Vancouver is so beautiful, but I think they're in like their super pre-winter BS currently. So I don't think that's gonna be the case, but I just found out that my hotel is super close to a mall. So I think because I have so much downtime between tonight and tomorrow before we day on Thursday, I'm gonna go shopping and possibly do an Instagram controls my shopping spree, because Black Friday is on Friday, and you guys know that I don't typically go shopping right on Black Friday. It's just like super overwhelming. I don't do well in like big crazy crowds, and people are just like vicious for good deals, and I am just not about that. So I feel like Black Friday is not as big in Canada, but I'm gonna go check out the sales, see what they have, ask you guys what I should get. I also picked up this jacket yesterday, and oh my gosh, it is the softest, cutest, warmest, actually it's not that warm, let's be real, but it's super cute because Vancouver is currently like, okay, for Canadian babes, it's like 6 degrees. American babes, it's like 48 degrees. I feel like that's probably not the right conversion. It's cold, much colder than LA. And, excuse me, Mias. I know. So Moose is staying here, and I have my friend staying over with him for the next few days. and I'm gonna be back right in time for Friendsgiving on Thursday at Tiff's house, and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna head to the airport, probably probably pass out in the car because I did not sleep a lot last night. I went over to Mia's last night with Asian Girl Squad. We had an amazing night catching up and stuff, and so I did not start packing until midnight last night, which is very irresponsible of me because I probably forgot something, but I guess we'll find out once we get to Vancouver. Oh my gosh, guys, side note, I have my own freaking Instagram filter. So you can like tap through and have different backgrounds, and there's different light leaks, and there's a little bit of skin smoothing on there too, because like, you know, your girl wants to look cute and have good skin even when the makeup is not on. So you'll see the little flower on the Polaroid, and that's my filter. So I think if you follow me, you have access to it, but how cute. Look at Moose. I'm so excited, it's so cool. So send me photos of your selfies in the LaurDIY filter, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep rotating through these for the next like, you know, 30 minutes or whatever. I just put a piece of gum in my mouth and I regret everything because now I'm gonna be like gross and like Anyways, hi guys, I made it to Vancouver. The flight was super quick and super easy, honestly. I was planning on doing so much work on the flight and then just ended up deleting 5,000 photos off my phone. Oh my god, I feel so disgusted with gum in my mouth. I'm sorry if you can see the gum in my mouth. I don't know, I'm moving on. Okay, so I'm about to go head over to the mall, and I'm gonna go do a little bit of shopping. Also, they have a Roots at this mall, and I have been dying to get something from Roots because that's like the Canadian place to get anything. So I want to get either a pair of sweats or a Roots hoodie, I think. But I have decided that I think I want to do the Instagram controls my shopping spree. I don't want to call it a spree because I don't want to go crazy, but I am gonna let you guys decide like at least 4 or 5, maybe 6 pieces. So if you're not following me on Instagram, for next time I do one of these, make sure to go follow me at LaurDIY. And I am like by myself in Vancouver, so I'm not entirely sure how much I'm actually gonna vlog at the mall, but I will definitely be vlogging the haul as soon as I get back. Oh my gosh, okay, update, it's going really well. I have 40,000 bags on my arm and I am dying, but look how cute the Christmas display is. Also, my best friend from high school randomly works at the Lululemon here in Vancouver, and I have met so many of you guys, and I'm out of focus, and I'm out of breath, and I'm sweating, and I have so many bags on my arm, but it's going really well. Okay, update, I'm getting a poutine because I'm disgusting and I'm so excited and I'm in Canada. New York fries, I need you in LA immediately. Oh my gosh, I am exhausted. I forgot how tiring shopping is. I feel like I haven't done like a shopping trip in a hot minute. I am exhausted. Also, I feel like I'm like in a little bit of a food coma from the giant poutine that I just demolished. But oh my gosh, as soon as I come back to Canada, I'm like, oh my god, poutine is a thing here. Thank God. And I get it from like fast food or room service or literally anywhere that I can get it. So feeling good about that. Feeling a little bloated, ignoring the fact that I'm lactose intolerant once again, but it's fine. It's totally fine. And I want to show you guys everything that I bought. Also, I'm like debating on like what I want to do for Black Friday because like I have enough extra stuff because there's been like some bomb sales today that I could probably make a second Black Friday haul on Friday. So let me know if that's something you guys want to see in the comments down below. Let me know. I don't really know. I probably have enough stuff to do a haul. Also might go back to the mall again tomorrow. We shall see because the weather's supposed to be not so great tomorrow. So I'm not entirely sure what my plans are going to be. Oh, I guess I have to sit up and like be vertical for this haul. I just can't lay here and show you the things here, but okay, let's do it. Okay, so hotel lighting is not great, like very much far from great, but we're gonna have to make do because I don't travel with a ring light, and that's just how it gonna go today. So oh my gosh, guys, I had so much fun shopping. Also, I just got back from rehearsals for the We Day speech that I'm doing on Thursday, and your girl forgot her contacts. I don't wear contacts super frequently. I just like kind of live blind, but I can barely read the screen. So I'm gonna do a little bit of memorization for my speech, but I'm super excited. If you guys are coming to We Day on Thursday, let me know. I'm super excited. Okay, so let's see what the final tallies ended up being. I kind of just gave each one 15 minutes in store to kind of see where they were at and like was hoping you would kind of lean towards one way or the other immediately. Okay, so the first option we had was a highlighter. I had the Fenty Beauty and the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I feel like every beauty guru ever uses the Glow Kit. So I've been looking to get one of those forever. And then I also have a Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in a different color, and I always felt like it was too whitey, gray, purple tinted. So I wanted to get a different gold one, but you guys like majorly voted 67% for the Glow Kit. So Glow Kit, we doing big things. I'm so excited to wear this tomorrow. There's also just like 4 different ones. I kind of feel like it's not super convenient to have to travel with 4 different highlighters, but oh It's so nice. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to start using this. Oh my gosh. I also had to pick up a brow pencil, so this is unrelated, but I got the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown, and then I also picked up just a lip balm, a gloss balm. Sorry, not a lip balm, a gloss balm from the Sephora line, just in like a very like lip color. And then next we had Roots, which I have been so excited to go back to. I think I honestly might go back to Roots tomorrow and get a hoodie because I just like, I love Roots and I've missed it so much and everything's so warm and so comfy. So you guys voted 57% on burgundy. I think it was actually more skewed towards burgundy before, and then it kind of evened out. Both were so cute, but I did get the burgundy, and I think these might be men's. I'm not entirely sure, but they're so thick and so comfy, and I'm so excited to wear these probably tomorrow, to be honest. I'm very much embracing the cozy life right now with this kind of like chilly winter-ish weather. So like Roots sweatpants and Uggs is my literal high school, just like that sums up my high school style for the most part. And I'm honestly thinking about going back and getting the other pair of sweats, even though it didn't win the poll and Instagram didn't choose that. I might choose that, so we'll see. And then, okay, so here's the situation, is that the mall closed at 7 p.m. So I posted the Puma shoe picture and I was like, need ye or knee? And it was like very obviously ye. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna leave this one, run to Lush, maybe a few other stores, Topshop, and then come back and get the shoes. And then on the way back, all the stores were closed at 7 p.m. and I was like, oh, guess I'm not getting those shoes. So I was 100% gonna purchase them. Might even go back again tomorrow and get them because they're so freaking cute. But Instagram chose yes and the mall chose no. And then next I went to Lush and I met the sweetest girls at Lush who work there. So if you guys are watching, hi, I had so much fun chatting with you guys. I was choosing between the Intergalactic bath bomb and the pink bath bomb, and then you guys voted 73% on the Galactic. So we got Intergalactic bath bomb, and I'm probably gonna save that for tomorrow night because I've got a little bit of editing to do tonight, but I'm super excited. This hotel has a great bathtub and I'm so excited to cover it in glitter. I'm so sorry, hotel, but sometimes you just got a bath bomb. And then the next one, okay, this was another like Instagram saying yes, mall saying no situation. So I was at Aritzia, which I miss so much. I feel like Aritzias are not very common in the States, and in Canada they're everywhere. So I found a really, really cute striped sweater, and it was like cute, ye or knee, and it was 89% ye, but the store was closed when I went back to go do like my second rounds of shopping. And so Instagram said yes, but the mall said no. And then I was in Topshop and there was the cutest little boutique called, what were you called? Paper Chase. Oh my gosh, and they had so much cute stationery and like random little things, and there was like the cutest rack of postcards and just like really cute graphic design things. And like, am I gonna mail anything to anyone? Like, no, obviously, because email, and I don't know, I wanted cute things to hang on my bulletin board. But I said, do I need? And the options were yes and yes. So it was 80% yes and 20% yes. And guys, wait till you see all the cute stuff that I got at Paper Chase. Oh my gosh. I've never seen this store before and I just straight up died. Like, I think I blacked out, and it was all super, super affordable. Okay. So first thing I got, oh, we do not need to be this close on my tired face right now. So let's just cover that. So I got these really cute little stickers, and then my keychain just broke off my keys. So I got this cute little llama with cute decor on him. And then I have decided that I don't want to carry a wallet anymore, and I only carry 2 credit cards and a license. So I got this, and this is so cute. It's so sparkly. Holographic. Wait, yeah. And then, oh my gosh, I got so many of these postcards. They were only $1.50 each, and I want to hang them everywhere. Okay, ready? Rapid fire. 1. Oh, this is not very rapid. 2. Basic. Ooh, pretty basic. A shout out. What? Yes. In gold. Friends forever. Boys. Whatever. You got this. And girl power. So I just want to hang those on like my photo grid thingy that I have, and I think that's everything. Also guys, I got this super cool like lomography, I think it's lomography, but I got a really cool disposable camera, so stay tuned for photos because I'm so excited to start using it. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I'm so excited to be in Vancouver for a few days. I'm like not entirely sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but I'm super excited to be here. Super excited to see you guys at We Day. And yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I will see you guys on Sunday for what's this Sunday's video? Oh, for a Sun DIY. I'm so excited for this Sunday's video. Oh my gosh. And then I go Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running